Alright guys, I got something new for you. It's an AP18 from Avapow. This is the portable tire inflator. They sent me an extra one so I could do a giveaway. Somebody's going to get this for free. All you got to do is be able to follow Avapow's Instagram. Now, you know I love their products. I've been buying it for years now. These were actually sent to me, so this is kind of like a sponsored video. And I asked for an additional one so I could show appreciation to you guys. And they said all we ask is that you guys, whoever gets it, follows their Instagram. So they will verify your follow. This is an unboxing. It basically has your inflator cable, Type-C charged. It's got different fittings for different like beach balls, basketballs, whatever you want. It's got an owner's manual inside here. We don't need that. It's got very specific instructions actually on the device when you open it up, and it gives you like a specific list of how to actually use it. It's like a quick setup. So it'll say long press for 2 seconds, short press to start stop. A long press for 2 seconds on off. Raise the air pressure plus, lower the air pressure minus. Then there's a light button if you need to see what's going on a little bit better. A long press for 2 seconds to switch between units. Short press mode to switch between car, motorcycle, bicycle, some other type of inflatable. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the device and we're going to hold down the power button for 2 seconds. The device powers up. You can see it's 100% charged. We're setting this at 36 psi. And we're going to go over here to this 2024 Ford Edge, and we're going to air up the tires. The air line hooks up to the top of it. Each one of these tires are kind of low. When I checked, let's see here real quick. Let's go back here. Display setup. Tire pressure, PSI, got it. Display mode. There you go, 31, 31, 31, and 29. They all need to be about 35, 36. And we're gonna do that with this inflator right now. I had to use 2 hands. All right, it's saying it's at 31.5 PSI right now. We need to get here to this. Turn it on and let it work. And it's finished. So pop the stem back, pull it off. Took a couple minutes. All right, no charging it out of the box. It's went down 1 bar, and I'm on my 3rd tire. This is going to my 4th right now. 29, like it says. Let it air up. Done. Sitting at about 75% battery charge. You know, the cool thing about this is some high quality stuff that it's built out of. It's like a more durable casing than what I'm used to seeing. This could also be used as like a battery pack to charge something. It's not just used as a tire inflator. You can steal some of the battery power out of here if you had to charge your phone or something like that as well. Unplugged the Type-C cord and it went off. The out went away. Now here, let's put it back in. Switches back to an indicator message letting you know power is going out and you're charging something else other than the power being used for this. So if you guys want a chance to win this other giveaway, this AP18, all I ask is that you follow Avapow. I'm going to post a link down below. Follow the link that I post down below, and if they can verify that you follow them and you're selected, it's yours. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Great product. I actually like this one. I normally don't like any of these inflators. This one's actually nice. And the different modes that it was talking about is right here. Long pause for 2 seconds. Done. It's off. Put it away. Bada bing, bada boom. And the case is super nice. Very, very nice case. So thank you, Avapow, and thank you to those that follow Avapow and me. Until next time, take care. Be blessed.